Alrighty guys, so we are gonna head down to a pond that I got permission to fish. I've been fishing for quite a while now, but we're gonna try to catch some bass, and was planning on cooking up a bluegill, making myself a fish sandwich or any sort of panfish or anything I catch, catfish maybe. It's a little chilly outside. It's about, right now it's probably only 38 degrees, so hopefully it warms up a little. Our goal is just going to be to get out there and catch fish in this cold weather. Let's see. Alright guys, so we're down here at the pond. Came to this one corner just because the wind is howling pretty hard and I want the camera quality to be good. But we came down in this corner. I found some salmon eggs in my garage, or some sort of fish egg that I was using for trout fishing, but I'm sure the bluegill will crush these. So we're gonna try to catch bluegill on those, and while I'm waiting for the bluegill to bite, I'm gonna throw on a wacky worm, try to catch some bass, and then we're gonna catch a nice big fat bluegill. That's the goal, and hopefully make a nice fish sandwich out of it. Catch you guys when I catch a fish. Alrighty, so we are now down here ready to fish. We're gonna put one of these egg sacs on the thing. I thought they were singular eggs, but I think there might be a few in there, but they appear to be egg sacs. So I'm not, actually never fished with an egg sac like this, but pretty sure that's how I'd rig it. Couldn't tell you. We're just gonna give her the old chuckaroo out there into the pond. We're fishing with an ultralight there. And then we just got the typical wacky rig, 5-inch green pumpkin. Ah, shoot. Just gonna chuck her out there. This corner's pretty good for bass. There's not really any special spots on this pond, to be honest, because there's not structure anywhere except this tree, and I barely even catch fish on this tree anyway. But the water's probably pretty chilly. It's probably only in the low 40s, so I don't know how the fishing's gonna be. I'm sure I can still get bluegill to bite. That's never been a challenge, but bass is a different story. catch a bass. I'm not gonna eat it because we're not allowed to keep bass or catfish out of this pond. Bass go back in the water, catfish go back in the water. Do I think I'll catch any of those? Probably not. Unless for some reason I catfish picked up the oh shit, we got a fish on. That's good. Alright guys, so we had some bites. So I got him? What's going on here? Why, the second I get a bite, am I tangled up in the biggest nonsense there is? Well, we're gonna get it back out there because there was indeed a fish biting. That was kind of odd. He was biting. And I think I messed up my chance because I got wrapped up in trees in the ground. I got wrapped up in everything possible, basically, is what happened. That's a fish. Oh my God, get in here. No. Holy shit, you guys just saw that. I just lost lunch. Oh, dude. That was perfect size for lunch. Literally perfect. That fish was the best size I could have asked for. Right there. And I lost him because of my foolishness. Alright guys, we're gonna try to make a move. Just fishing the Ned rig now because I broke off my bluegill rod. The big bluegill that I want to eat will eat the Ned rig. So we're just gonna walk around now and try to find him. I'm trying to make this quick because I cannot feel my hands anymore. But we'll hopefully catch some big I could make my Ned smaller, but I think I'm fine as long as I mean, I'm going for a certain size bluegill. It's gotta be big enough to eat. I might be a little more lenient on that. There's a fish, and it came off. You gotta be shitting me. Or start fishing content. I'm gonna try back over here. I'll walk right into this wind, it appears that we're doing. I'm trying to hide behind this tree actually. That's gonna be the the technique for right now. Give her the old tree hide. Oh my god, we got a fish, guys. No. We got ourselves a bluegill, and it's big. Thank the Lord. So we're gonna put him out of his misery back here. You guys can see it's a big one. So we're actually gonna, just so my hands don't get too cold, where's my bait? I'm just gonna put the hook through his lip and put him in the water to clean him off after that fish smack. Alright guys, we are back in the house now. We have our bluegill, really nice bluegill. Took forever to catch, hands are freezing. But this is perfect size bluegill for a one-person meal. So we had to scratch the idea of making the fish sandwich, mainly because I wanted to make a sandwich with buns, and I don't have buns, which sucks. So we are going to be making fish tacos. We have taco boats here, which are kind of annoying to eat out of, but I feel like it'd be pretty cool. You know, fish, boat, fishing, boat, you get the point. We're going to fry it up, and we're going to try to use some of this lemon pepper seasoning I have here. I think that would taste pretty good. Hopefully. I don't know. It's whatever. But, we're now going to fillet the fish. Can't show that on YouTube, which sucks, but, we'll fillet the fish, and we'll come back. Alright, so here's our fish fillets, or what's left of the fish fillets. Fillet job wasn't awesome, and it wasn't a giant fish, but we got the meat that we could out, so now we're gonna fry it up. Time to dunk these fish fillets in the flour. Give her the old shakeroo. There's one. There's a little piece of meat. There's two. There's a nice chunk. There we go. One more piece. And there. And we're gonna crack some pepper over it. Alright, I think it's time for the fryer now. There we go. Got ourselves a fish boat. Got our fish boat with some lettuce and some seasoning on there. It's kind of basic. I don't know how it's going to taste, but we're going to try her out. Alright. Got the fish taco. Let's push all the meat down in that corner. That was a failure. The meat fell out of the taco. We're gonna try that again. I think it tastes pretty dang good. Tastes just like a taco would, I guess. A fish taco. Alrighty guys, so we completely gobbled up that delicious taco. It's a few hours later. We're just finishing up the video here, editing it around. But I just wanted to let you guys know, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and go watch my other videos. Just stick around for more.